Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure prerequisites are met. Your iPhone and Apple Watch Ultra must be charged and updated. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, keep airplane mode off, and unlock the phone. This allows discovery. Power the watch and hold it close. The pairing animation appears. Tap Start Pairing on the iPhone and align the watch face with the viewfinder. This initial handshake creates a secure link, so move quickly and keep devices within a few feet to maintain a stable connection. Once paired, you'll authenticate and configure details that control data flow and privacy. If the camera method works, center the animation, otherwise pick manual pairing and follow on-screen codes. Sign in with your Apple ID so iCloud can sync settings, health, and activity data. This is why your workouts and notifications transfer. Next, you'll set a passcode on the watch and choose wrist preference. Make sure to allow location and Siri if you want full functionality, because these enable emergency features and voice commands. To finish, let the iPhone and Apple Watch sync apps, messages, and preferences. Keep them near each other until the progress completes. This can take several minutes. After sync, test calls, notifications, and the activity app to confirm health data flows correctly. Customize watch faces and complications if needed. If something goes wrong, the fastest fix is restarting both devices, toggling Bluetooth, or using the watch app to unpair and retry. This clears transient errors and forces a fresh, secure connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.